Do you know how scary the world's fastest man-made object really is? This is the world's first bicycle from 1817. It was going 4 kilometers an hour. But our normal human walk is faster than that, at 4.8 kilometers per hour. This is the average human running at 13 kilometers per hour. This is a skateboard at 15 kilometers per hour. This is a bicycle, 40 kilometers per hour. This is the Olympic champion Bolt at 44.2 kilometers per hour. The Wright brothers invented the world's first airplane at 48 kilometers per hour. The fastest animal on Earth is the cheetah, which can reach 120 kilometers per hour. But the human Mercedes-Benz E-Class can easily outrun it, reaching speeds of 230 kilometers per hour. But it's slow in front of a Formula One car, which can reach 372 kilometers per hour. This is the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a fighter among motorcycles, with a speed of 400 kilometers per hour. This is the Hikursky helicopter, which reaches 481 kilometers per hour. The world's fastest supercar, the Bugatti Chiron, at 489 kilometers per hour. This is the world's fastest ship, the Spirit of Australia, at 501 kilometers per hour. This is the Bell Boeing V-22, traveling at 565 kilometers per hour. This is the LO Series maglev train at 603 kilometers per hour. This is the world's fastest motorcycle act attack. Speed is 634 kilometers per hour. This is the Airbus A380. Speed is 1,185 kilometers per hour. This is the world's fastest supersonic car, the Thrust SSC, which reaches a staggering 1,227 kilometers per hour. This is the J-10 fighter jet at 2,326 kilometers per hour. This is the Lockheed S-271 Blackbird reconnaissance plane at 3,540 kilometers per hour. This is the supersonic-powered North American X-15 at 7,274 kilometers per hour. This is the NASA X-43 supersonic jet at 11,154 kilometers per hour. This is the International Space Station at 28,000 kilometers per hour. This is the Space Shuttle at 28,163 kilometers per hour. This is Apollo 10 at 39,937 kilometers per hour. This is the Ulysses probe at 40,680 kilometers per hour. This is the New Horizons probe at 58,580 kilometers per hour. This is the Voyager 1 probe at 61,500 kilometers per hour. This is the Pioneer 10 planetary probe at 132,000 kilometers per hour. This is a nuclear-powered manhole cover traveling at 240,000 kilometers per hour. This is the Juno Jupiter probe at 265,000 kilometers per hour. This is the Parker Solar Probe, which reaches the most terrifying speed of 692,000 kilometers per hour. It's also the fastest man-made object in the world.